That's cubic polynomial. So the first part, find the remainder when f of x divided by x minus 2. I just need to work out what f of 2 is, and that's the remainder. So put in 2, that's 4 times 2 cubed minus 7 times 2 minus 3, and that equals 15. That's nice and easy. Part 2, I've got to show that that is a factor of f of x, so therefore I need to do f of, and when does this come in 0? That would be x is minus a half. And that, if this is 0, that will show that it's that 2x plus 1 is a factor. So that's 4 times by negative a half cubed minus 7 times negative a half and minus 3, and that does equal 0, and therefore 2x plus 1 is a factor. And and hence factorize it completely. So I now know that 2x plus 1 is a factor. I quite like this method of doing it now, and you'll see how it works. So 2x plus 1, I need to get it being the first term being 4x cubed, so I need to have 4x cubed in here. In order to do that, pretty obviously that will have to be 2x squared. 2x squared times 1 is 2x squared, and how many x squareds? I don't want any x squareds, so I need to get minus 2x squared here. To get minus 2x squared, it's obviously going to have to be minus, that will be minus x, because 2x times minus x gives me minus 2x squared, and that will also give me minus x. I don't want to be minus x, I want minus 7x's, so I need another 6 more minus x's here, and 2 times minus 3 gives me minus 6x. That's good, and then minus 3 times minus 1 gives me minus 3, which is what I wanted it to be. So now I know the factors are 2x plus 1 and 2x squared minus x minus 3. Pretty much there. Factorize it completely. I'm guessing that's going to factorize again. So 2x plus 1, and see if I can factorize this. That's going to be 2x and x. I've got to get 3, so it's got to be 1 and 3, and it's going to be 1's positive and 1's minus. And if I put the 3 here, that means 2x is going to times by 3, that's going to be 6x. I've got minus, that's going to be too much. So the 1's going to go there, the 3's going to go there, and I want to have more negative x's than positive x's. So 3 times x is 3x, 1 times 2x is 2x's, so it's going to be minus 3 plus 1. Just check. 2x squared plus 2x minus 3x is minus x. Minus 3 times plus 1 is minus 3. Definitely factorize it completely. Happy with that. That's my answer for that part. And now for part 3. Solve this equation. And this equation is exactly the same as we had to start off with. But instead of writing cos theta, or instead of writing x, I've got cos theta. 7x, 7 cos theta. So all I have to do is just write cos theta and not x. So that means that 2 cos theta plus 1 and 2 cos theta minus 3 and cos theta plus 1, that must equal 0. And if that's true, something times something times something equals 0, either 2 cos theta plus 1 equals 0, or 2 cos theta minus 3 equals 0, or the final one, cos theta plus 1 equals 0. That says that cos theta equals, take away 1 minus a half. This says that cos theta equals 3 over 2. Can't possibly do that, because the biggest value of cos theta is 1, that's 1.5, or cos theta equals negative 1. I've got to be in radians. You can always work in degrees and then give your and convert it to radians as you like. And I've got to have it in exact form. So theta equals cos to the minus 1 of negative a half. That doesn't happen. Theta equals cos to the minus 1 of negative 1. And this will give me that theta equals, and that will be 2 pi over 3, or minus 2 pi over 3. When I've got cos, it's always going to be a positive or negative. That comes from the unit circle. That's sine on up this axis, that's cos. So if it equals negative a half, so cos there, if it equals negative a half, that could be my angle there, which basically is 120 degrees. Or I could get minus 120 degrees, but we're doing it in radians, so 2 pi over 3. And each of those I could go around numerous times there, so that's plus 2 pi n radians, or plus 2 pi n. This one here, when's it equal minus 1? It equals minus 1 just there, and so therefore I get theta equals pi plus 2 pi n, and it's between 0 and 2 pi, so I've now got the answers. So theta equals, first one I get is 2 pi over 3, and the next one I get is pi, and the next one is when I have one lot of 2 pi here, so this will be minus 2 pi over 3 plus 2 pi, which is 6 pi over 3, so that'll be 4 pi over 3. And the next one, well, I'm beyond 2 pi now. So those are the three answers, and that's question 9 and the whole paper done.